Switching from Verizon to Boost Mobile and keeping your number is straightforward. First, get a port authorization code PAC from Verizon by contacting their customer service via app, website, or phone. This code is essential for the number transfer. Then, choose a Boost Mobile plan that suits your needs and purchase a SIM kit either online, through the Boost Mobile app, or at a retailer. When activating your Boost Mobile service, enter the PAC you obtained from Verizon to initiate the number porting process. Keep in mind that this process usually takes 24 to 72 hours, during which you might experience temporary service. Make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Boost Mobile's network. Once you have your SIM card and PAC, activate your service through the Boost Mobile app or website. Boost Mobile utilizes networks from Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, so choose the network option that provides the best coverage for your area. Boost recommends its Verizon network if switching from Verizon. For newer devices, Boost emphasizes eSIM activation, which simplifies the setup process. Be aware that data deprioritization may occur on unlimited plans during network congestion. Also, confirm that your phone is unlocked to prevent compatibility issues. The number porting process is governed by FCC rules, ensuring you can keep your number when switching carriers. The number porting process is governed by FCC rules, ensuring you can keep your number when switching carriers.